Hello everyone, welcome to section 2, lesson 2, part 7, and today's lesson is offset. You can go to the modify and select add the offset command from here, and when you select the offset command it says what's the offset distance you want to put. Say I want 2 feet, enter. Then you can just select the object and put if you can select the sides you want to offset. So if I click that, so just offset on that side. If I click that, it offset this side. So that's how you can do offset. Also, shortcut for offset is O enter. So you have 3 option comes up when you have an offset. So you can through it. So T enter. So you can select the object and put your cursor anywhere and just offset there. Select the object, put your cursor anywhere and just be there. Then you have O enter offset for erase. So E enter, and if you say no, then you can click the object, say I want this distance as my offset side. Click this one and give a value. So the line distance I selected, it's going to be the same. That line is going to be the gap between these two lines. The other way you can do is O enter, and the third one is the layer. Say for example, I want O enter and say I select L enter for layer. Say I want source. So this one and this one is my source. So anytime I offset this, it's gonna just offset with that source as many offset I want. So one thing about erase I wanna indicate, if you want selected yes, so it's gonna erase every time you offset your source file. Let's go and give it an example. O enter, say E enter. If I say yes, Y enter. So from now, say for example O enter, if I offset it, say 2 feet, if I offset this object, enter on this side, it will erase the source file from the line where I offset it from. But you can select as a default too. So what you should be done is just keep it no. So O enter, E enter, and we press and enter. So every time we offset now, it's gonna keep the previous one. Most of the time we use offsets to draw lines. So say I'll enter. So I have a 10 feet line, and say I want a 5-inch wall. So offset 5 inches. And offset that. Then I have another line here. Offset 5 inches. O enter. Select the object. Enter. So offset is very basic. So I'll enter first point, second point. Then we also O enter. Then we put a value, whatever value we want, and any value you put there, it's gonna stay there. Every time you go enter, offset, enter, it's just gonna stay there. So if you have 5 inches, it's gonna always stay as 5 inches unless you change it. So I have a line, so it's gonna say what's your distance. So when you don't put any value, it just gives you that sign. You can click the next point and give it a value. Otherwise you just press enter and select the object and just offset it. So these are all 5 inches offset. So that's it for offset. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you on the next one.